Welcome to Trump Tower, Manila.
Good evening. This is Valerio Zecchini talking to you from the amazing city of Manila. We are here at Trump Tower to perform the sound of one hand clap, an ancient Zen practice you might have heard of. And just a moment of concentration first. Right hand first. Left hand. Both hands. Thank you. Enjoy the view and good night. No, ma non è venuto.